Tumahan ka na. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, Banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at maisabuhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Luke chapter 7, verses 11 to 17, and I read it for you. Soon afterwards, he went to a town called Nain, and his disciples and a large crowd went with him. As he approached the gate of the town, a man who had died was being carried out. He was his mother's only son, and she was a widow, and with her was a large crowd from the town. When the Lord saw her, he had compassion for her and said to her, "Do not weep." Then he came forward and touched the bier, and the bearer stood still. And he said, "Young man, I say to you, rise." The dead man sat up and began to speak, and Jesus gave him to his mother. Fear seized all of them, and they glorified God, saying, "A great prophet has risen among us, and God has looked favorably on his people." This word about him spread throughout Judea and all the surrounding country. Tahan na. Hinto na natin ang kalungkutan, ang pagdadalamhati, sapagkat kasama natin ang Panginoon. Sapagkat kasama natin at hinding-hindi niya tayo iiwan. Alam ng Panginoon kung nasaan tayo. Alam ng Panginoon kung ano ang pinagdaraanan natin. Alam niya kung tayo ay malungkot. Alam niya kung tayo ay sawi. Sa ating pong binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito, napakinggan po natin kung papaanong ang kaisa-isang anak ng balo ay namatay at nililibing. Tumatangis ang lahat, higit lalo ang ina na naiwan. Kaisa-isang pinakamamahal, kaisa-isang pag-asa sa buhay, ngunit nawala pa. Napakalungkot ng sinapit ng balong ito. Lagi po nating tandaan, hindi tayo iiwan ng Diyos. Hindi tayo pababayaan ni Jesus. Alam niya ang ating pinanggagalingan at nais niyang samahan tayo hanggang sa kahuli-hulian. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Hesukristo, maraming salamat po sapagkat lagi niyo po kaming sinasamahan, lalo na sa mga panahon na kami ay malungkot, nagdurusa at naghihinagpis. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video nito o kaya naman po just search Father Fiel Pareha. God bless you po!